Top quality raw material selections, 100% ultra-fine cotton top fabrics with a high thread count of 300 tc. Hypo-allergenic, non-toxic, odorless, lead-free glass beads. 100% premium cotton padding. New manufacturing technology. High SPI, 7 to 8 stitches per inch, and diamond-shaped design to encase glass beads, which prevents noise and shifting of beads. Triple stitching on edge of blanket and loops to secure within duvet. Watch for our new duvets coming soon. Maximum comfort and natural sleep support. Our fabric has a soft, cool feel that will not agitate those with hot core discomfort. Our durable, breathable cotton starts soft and only gets softer over time. The perfect weight stimulates the feeling of being held or hugged. Sleep soundly and wake up with the feeling you have gotten your best night's sleep ever. Easy to maintain, machine washable on low, gentle cycle with cold water. Do not iron. Tumble dry on low or hang to dry. 100% satisfaction guaranteed and 1-year warranty. If for any reason you are unhappy with your blanket, we offer a full refund. Please keep in mind it takes about a week to get used to the blanket weight. Please make sure you follow our sizing chart for correct fit and sizing. Top reviews from the United States. So pleased with this blanket. I was so excited to get this blanket. I had a 15 pounds, but it was a tad too heavy for me, but most of all it was too noisy. I woke myself up every time I moved. The pockets were very big and the blanket would slide off at night. I opened my blanket and loved the soft relaxing color. I looked at the stitching closely and was very pleased with what I saw. There were a few beads on the blanket, but that is to be expected. No odor, so I can use it right away. The loops look to be a good strength, so I will begin looking for a cover. I flipped it over to inspect both sides and, no noise. It is also very soft and feels to be a fabric that will breathe and be cool to the touch. If an issue comes up, I will edit the review. My camera does not like the pink color, but it is beautiful.